Hello, okay, so if you're really comfortable with drawing your sticks and dots, you can now get on to sort of doing these adding numbers to 20. Now, they may be at the stage where they're not quite ready to go above 20 too much, but they can actually do these in their head. What I would say is, yes, please do encourage them to do it in their head if they can do it, but it's good to practice this method with smaller numbers so that when they get to the bigger numbers, they're confident, okay? I'll show you both ways to do it in just a moment, but we're going to use the method to start. Okay, so I've got the number here, 11, add 4 equals. So I'm going to use sticks and dots to draw this out, okay? I would write the tens and ones above it. Okay, so how many tens have I got? I've got 1 10, so I draw 1 stick, that's my 1 10, and I've got 1 1. Okay, so that shows 11. I've got 4 more, okay, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I go over to my answer now, it says, how many tens have you got? Well, I've got 1 stick. Okay, and then how many ones have you got altogether? So I've got that 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 15, okay? Now, to show you I can do this in my head as well, I'm going to hold 11 in my head, and I'm going to add 4 more on. So I go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and I can see that I've got the correct answer. Okay, so let's try another one. Okay, this time we'll try. Okay, so this time, if we can read it together, I've got 13, add 5 equals. Okay, so I'm going to draw the sticks and dots, okay, for that, and then I need my sticks and dots over here, my tens and ones for the answer. So, how many tens have I got? I've got 1 10, and I've got 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. I need to add on 5 more ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So where my answer is, how many tens have I got? I've got 1. Now, I would really encourage them, this is a really big skill, to hold, we know we've got 3 ones there, hold that in our head and count on so it's not going from the start 1, 2, like that. If they need to, they can, but it's just really good to try and get that in their heads. So I'm going to start from 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just to show you, I can check with that. So I'm going to have 13, hold it in my head, and I'm going to add 5 more on. So 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we know we've got the correct answer. Okay, while you're doing these, I've included numbers that aren't going to cross over 20, okay, for these ones. We'll go through that a little later in the week. I think actually it might, no, we're going to go adding to 50 tomorrow, just checking my list. So see how you go with that. If you have any questions, please do message me. I know it's really difficult to try and do this at home, but I'm really, really grateful and really, really impressed with all the work you're doing. So good luck and have a good day.